Hello. And how's it going? So my car didn't pass inspection, and for the turn signal, the switch. So it has to be replaced, and I've never done this before. And ironically, I'm making a YouTube video for something that I saw on YouTube how to do. So I'm gonna try this. Apparently, there's only like 3 bolts underneath here. And this is the switch in question, and it's not working. I gotta take it out and slide the new one back on that I bought and see what happens. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is there's I guess a cowl or something. It goes from here and here and all the way around here like this. And there are 2 bolts up underneath, like one there and one there, and that has to come out first, and then we separate this piece. Ooh, I did it! Alright, cool. That's what that thing looks like. And then we gotta separate this part. I don't know how that works, so let me wrestle with it for a bit. There are 3 bolts, like this guy here, 7mm underneath of here. You need this extender on it, and go up underneath there and work it on out. Work it on out. I am so not a mechanic. I never work on cars. I don't. But to save myself $200 from letting mechanic do it, I am attempting to do this on my own. And, like, I think I'm doing it right. I got 1 bolt out. And now we have to try and get these 2 pieces, the top part and the bottom part, they're sandwiched together. So we have to get them apart. And I think I got it. Just popped off. There's the top part. I'll put that up there. And then there's this bottom part here, which I just had to push down a little bit. Apparently this will just slide out somehow. I don't know. Oh, I remember. There's 2 little clips on the top and 1 underneath on the bottom. And you gotta take a screwdriver, push them in, and then this part just slides on out. Fun. It really did. It just slid on out. It slides out of that hole right there. Now we just unplug these 2 little dudes and get the new one and put that in. Simple. Well, getting that out wasn't too bad. It was unplugging the doodads was the hardest part. That's right, that's a real technical term, doodads. These things. So now we just reverse everything. We take the new one, we plug it in, and see if it works. Yeah, I got it back on. Let's see what happens before I you know, put it all totally back together. Yeah, but it works. It's in, it's doing its job, and it makes me really happy. Because I spent $30 on a part and didn't have to pay the dealership the $230 they wanted. Rock out. Learn something every day.